Cooking with birthday bird. The birthday bird flew from a casserole. Do you know how the birds sound? Tweet, 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 tweet. He will bake on a cake for you. A cake for you. Oh, the bird is so kind, right? Yeah, just for you. This is your day. He will bake the casserole way. He has a book. Take a look. Grab a hat and help him cook. This is a cookbook. Sugar, flour, and milk too. Do you know what we need for baking the cake? Now crack some eggs, just 2 will do. Do you like baking a cake with your mommy? Yes, me too. Now you mix it. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, look, you have some on your chin. You try it. Okay, let it bake and then cool down. I am interested. I want to try. Squeeze on pink and blue and brown. Wow, nice cake. Now he will sing the birthday song. This is your day, so sing along. Who knows happy birthday song? Who knows happy birthday song? You eat your cake. Yeah, please, 1 piece for me. You dance and play. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now the birthday bird must fly away. Oh, he finished his job. Until next year on your birthday. Good night.